Hey everybody, I'm here today with a simplistic video on the Nespresso Citiz coffee machine cup size programming. This will once again be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So if you want to program your cup size on the Nespresso Citiz espresso coffee machine, it's really easy to do. First and foremost, plug the machine in, okay? Turn it on and let it warm up. You should see these solid lights on both sides, and that's when you know it's ready to brew some coffee. If you want to put a coffee pod in, you can, but you can also do this without a coffee pod. I have an older coffee pod in here that, not an older one, but I already used it for a coffee, and I'm just reusing it now, just so it's harder to see clear water in the cup. It's gonna be easier to see some coffee in there. So I'm not gonna be drinking it, so, I mean, the cup is a little bit dirty. I'll rinse it again, but I'm not gonna be drinking this coffee. It's just a reused capsule, okay? So essentially what you want to do is when you're ready to go, you want to either program the espresso or the lungo. It's up to you. I'm going to program the espresso. So what we're going to do is instead of just pressing it once, we're going to press and hold it down, and then we're going to release it whenever we reach the desired brew level. So check this out. I'm going to press and hold it down. It's going to brew the coffee, and whenever I reach the desired level of what I want this button to do, in terms of brew level, I'm going to release it. So right about, I want to do a little bit longer than usual, right about there is good to go. So I'm going to release it. And now, whenever you press this button once quickly, just to brew a regular espresso shot, you're going to brew that much coffee. It's that easy. And you can do the same thing with the lungo. Now, usually my own personal preference is a little bit of a shorter espresso, but I just wanted to give you the full effect to sort of show you what it, because I wanted to fill the cup up just for the look of it at least, to show you the capabilities that you can make it longer or shorter, okay? It's a little bit easier for me to show when the cup's full than when the coffee's just down to here. Anyways, that's how to program the cup size with the Nespresso Citiz coffee espresso machine. An easy tutorial for absolute beginners, really easy to do. And if you don't want that programmed cup size anymore, you can just as easily factory reset the machine, which I'll do a separate video on. But yeah, just keep that in mind. It's not permanent. You can always factory reset it back to its defaults, and I'll do a separate video tutorial on that. I'm going to film that right now, so stay tuned. It's probably going to be released around when this video is released as well. And that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.